Ever wondered how a cake is made in a factory? Well, the process is quite fascinating. It all starts with a handful of simple ingredients: flour, sugar, eggs, butter, baking powder, and of course, those special flavorings that make each cake unique. These humble beginnings form the foundation of every scrumptious bite. The magic lies in the transformation of these everyday items into a treat that brings joy to celebrations and ordinary days alike. The journey of a cake, from a simple mix of ingredients to a delightful dessert, is a sight to behold. The first step in cake production is mixing the ingredients. Picture this: a selection of high-quality ingredients, each with a role to play, coming together in a gigantic mixer. Flour, sugar, eggs and butter, along with a dash of vanilla and a sprinkle of baking powder, all find their way into this culinary colossus. As the mixer springs into action, it stirs and blends, creating a whirlwind of delicious potential. It's a process that ensures each ingredient is fully incorporated, that every grain of sugar is dissolved, and every speck of flour is moistened. This is vital because the consistency of the batter sets the stage for the final product. A perfectly mixed batter should be smooth and free from lumps, a testament to the harmony of its components. It's a delicate balance, but when achieved, it's the first sign that we're on our way to a perfect cake. Once the batter is prepared, it's time to give it shape. The next step is shaping and baking the cake. Imagine a river of sweet, velvety batter flowing towards its destiny. This batter finds its way into a state-of-the-art molding machine, a marvel of modern engineering, where it's shaped into the cakes we all know and love. But it's not just about the shape. It's about transforming that raw batter into a golden, fluffy delight. This is where the large industrial oven steps in. The cakes embark on a journey through this heated labyrinth where they are baked to perfection. Temperature and baking time are the unseen artists here, crafting each cake with precision. They are carefully controlled to ensure that the cakes are cooked just right. Too little and the cake is doughy, too much and it's dry. But here in the heart of the factory, each cake gets the time and heat it deserves. After a precise baking process, the cakes are ready for the final touches. The final step is adding the finishing touches. After baking, the cakes are given time to cool, ensuring the perfect canvas for decoration. The cooled cakes are then frosted, creating a smooth, creamy base. Decorations follow, with various toppings and icings applied to bring the cake to life, each one a sweet masterpiece. Finally, the cakes are carefully packaged, ready for delivery, to bring joy to every doorstep. And there you have it, a beautifully crafted, delectable cake, ready to be enjoyed. So that's how a cake is made in a factory. It begins with a careful blend of ingredients, stirred into a smooth batter. This batter is then shaped into the cake we all love and baked to perfection. The final touches are not to be overlooked. From the frosting to the sprinkles, every detail counts. Lastly, it's packaged with care, ready to be shipped and shared. Next time you enjoy a slice of cake, remember the sweet journey it took to get to your plate.